Hi, welcome to the channel. Today, according to my diary, I have a 3 DPF and AdBlue problem. First one, Land Rover Sport 2016. We'll see what's going on. And another two vehicle for Transit Custom. And I think we are 2022 or 2021. I'm not sure. Both on the way. First thing first is here. I'm going to start the car first. You can see the dashboard, engine management light on in the right side, and the middle, tire pressure, service required, exhaust filter full, visit dealer. Right, okay, that's a problem at the moment vehicle has. You can see 12 fault code for the under engine management. Yeah, diesel particulate filter soot accumulation, bank 1, NOx exceeds, NOx, NOx control monitoring system. Right, vehicle condition incorrect for the diesel particulate filter, reductor level sensor circuit performance, AdBlue sensor, and variable coolant pump supply voltage, NOx efficient, right, loose communication with diesel exhaust fluid heater control, loose communication with diesel exhaust fluid, right, turbocharger boost solenoid. Yeah, 12 faulty codes at the moment. We need to go one by one. However, first of all, I'm going to take a full report for this one and save it for my reference and come back to you. Now we know something to where are we going. However, I am going to switch off, ignition on, and I'm going to try to clear all this faulty code first, because I need to narrow down this engine control module 12 faulty codes. If I going to sort out 12 fault codes, we ending with huge problem. But however, at the moment all clear up. You can see I'm going to switch off the car and start the car and have a look what's going on. Dashboard, service required, ignition on. At the moment no problem for the DPF, no warning light. I'm going to check again engine warning light, anything left there, read faulty codes. Yeah, coolant pump, something not right, they said. We need to attend to the coolant pump, because if the coolant temperature not come up to the correct level, it might be affected to the DPF also. Well, we'll try again to clean this one. Have a look, is it possible to clean? Yes, it's clean. Right, again switch off, start, again switch off, start. Right, now I'm going to read the faulty codes again. Right, see, this one look like to me electrical problem. However, we need to address this one first. I think now transit came. Yeah, okay, second van turn up. Yeah, at the moment DPF pressure bit high because of this system not working. That's why the could be the problem. Yeah, I know some ideas, but however, as a first step, I'm going to check tailpipes. Mm, not bad at the moment. We'll see this side. Yeah, yeah, it's not bad. Normally I saw more than this one, but I'm happy. And now we'll see what happened to the engine bay. First of all, I'm going to check the oil condition and oil level. Hmm, I can smell too much diesel there because this car done the service around June, maybe June, July, August, 3 months, 4 months. Ah, have a look the oil level. It's here. See, it's over the limit. It's here. It's supposed to be here, but it was there over the limit. I feel in this vehicle has a oil, oil dilution problem. However, I need to remove the oil to the correct level, and we'll see what's going on the engine bay, because I heard while the car running some popping noise or some leaking. Yeah, I want to check the injector area. Yeah, here is the another problem. You can see the cylinder number 4 area nice and dry, and the 3 nice and dry. When you come into the this side, you can see little bit leaking around this area. Basically I feeling, see all things here, I feeling cylinder number 1 and cylinder number 2 injectors leaking. Right, that's why I heard popping noise like a like that. Yeah, that's another problem. That's one also affected to the regen process. Okay, right, my next plan, drain oil at least 8 liters AdBlue, coolant level okay, and we need to sort out injector leak as a second step. But however, as a first step, I'm going to underneath and check anything else there, any more leaking, something unrelated like that, identify yes or no. Then after that, I'm going to add AdBlue. I'm going to drain engine oil, and I'm going to clean DPF because DPF also slightly high. Then I'm going to the motorway and come back to you. We suck the oil. You'll see the oil level now. Right. Yeah, exactly. Here. That's good. Right. Next step. Top up AdBlue. I removed 2 liters. Right. Next step. Before you use the AdBlue, make sure at least it has a 10 months or more than For the expiry, we'll see the expiry date. Yeah, 11th October, nearly 11 months they are for the expire. That's good, because once you add this thing to car, it sit on your car maybe another 6-7 months depend on your usage. Make sure take a long expiry period. This one has a 11. Then I'm going to open, and the second step, I'm going to smell this one. Yeah, it shouldn't any smell. If it smell, don't going to add to your car, because it's not right. It's like a water, no any smell at all. Then after that, in here they said the urea contain somewhere here 32.5. right now I'm going to check. It's holding 32.5, 33 maximum. If it more than that one, I'm not add to the any vehicle. Take a small sample. Unfortunately, I can't filming. Yeah, exactly 35, 32.5, 33. Yeah, exactly 33. Then I'm happy to add to the car. Blue, make sure cleans around this area. Then after that you can use with the water and just rinse. Right, okay, next step, I'm going to jack up the car and clean the DPF and come back to you. I got the all details I needed. Then top up the AdBlue, clean the DPF. Now at the moment no any warning light at the dashboard. However, one sleeping faulty code there for the temperature pump or coolant pump. Yeah, let's go to the motorway and we'll have a look what's going on for the temperature sensor. How about the regen process? Yeah, we are at the motorway now. I can see slightly temperature going up. Yeah, I saw the temperature went up around 550, around something. Yeah, I saw the regen process happen. At the moment I can't see any funny warning at the dashboard. Look like to me all work as should. However, once I go to the garage, I'll come back to you. Went to the motorway and just came. You can see no any funny warning light at the dashboard. Just completed 20 miles. We'll see any faulty code left there. Here we are. You can see this faulty code was from the beginning, coolant pump. Yeah, I had to advise customer, need to change coolant pump, need to keep it the oil level racing, and also need to sort out two injectors, cylinder number 1 and 2 leaking, need to sort out. A part of that, everything as should be working. Then hopefully all good. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you need to join with us our WhatsApp group, link below. You can click that link and join with us our WhatsApp group. See you in the next video.